Hey there, coin crafters. Welcome back to the channel, where we turn digital opportunities into real cash. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered dropshipping. Can you really make hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month with just $1 and a laptop? I'm about to put it to the test, and I'll show you every step of the way. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build your own AI-powered Shopify store and start making money online. Let's get started. Step 1. Finding a free AI tool to build our Shopify store. After some research, I found a tool called Build Your Store. This tool claims to create a fully functional Shopify store in minutes. And the best part, it's completely free. With this tool, we can sell other people's products without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, the product is shipped directly to them. Sounds like a dream, right? Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Once I landed on the Build Your Store website, I clicked on the Build My Free Store button. I entered my full name, email address, and password to create an account. Next, I chose a niche for the store. Since fitness is always a popular category, I went with sport and fitness. The AI then generated a store with appealing banners and a clean layout. So far, so good. Now that the AI has built the store, it's time to set up a Shopify account. I clicked on Access Shopify and selected the basic plan. Since we're keeping this under $1, I chose the free trial option. I added my payment details. But don't worry if this doesn't count toward our $1 budget. The goal here is to keep costs as low as possible, while still creating a professional-looking store. With the Shopify account set up, I installed the Build Your Store app. This app allows the AI to populate the store with products and optimize it for sales. I gave the AI a few minutes to work its magic, and when it was done, I had a fully functional Shopify store ready to go. Next, I needed to find winning products to sell. For this, I signed up for Autodes, a tool that helps you identify trending products. I chose the Starter 500 plan, which costs just 99 cents for the first 30 days. This officially used up my $1 budget, but it's a small price to pay for access to thousands of high-demand products. With the store live and products added, I took some time to review everything. I was impressed with the items. Autodes picked everything from fitness gear to workout accessories. I made a few tweaks to the product pages to ensure they looked professional and appealing. Remember, the better your store looks, the more likely customers are to trust it and make a purchase. To make the store look even more professional, I decided to set up a custom domain. I chose the name Tilbury Fitness and linked it to the store. A custom domain not only makes your store look more credible, but also helps with search engine rankings. This step is optional, but I highly recommend it if you're serious about scaling your store. Now that the store was ready, it was time to drive traffic. I decided to work with micro-influencers to promote the store. I reached out to the Gray Brothers, a fitness-focused duo with a solid following. They created a promotional video for the store, and I approved the script before they post it. Influencer marketing can be a game changer for driving sales, especially when you're just starting out. After 24 hours, I checked the store's performance. I was thrilled to see that we had made 12 sales, with 10 of them being genuine purchases. The total sales came to £134.20, which is roughly $170.85 after subtracting costs. The profit was $80.35. Not bad for a store that cost less than $1 to set up. No, here's the exciting part. This is just the beginning. With a little more effort, this store could easily scale into thousands of dollars in profit every month. You could add more products, run targeted ads, or even expand into other niches. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you can do it all from your laptop, no matter where you are in the world. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself building an AI-powered Shopify store and making money online? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to CoinCrafts, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more money-making tips. And if you're ready to start your own online hustle, check out the links in the description for all the tools and resources I used in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.